Okay. A lot of times, small fish will hit this and yank off the baits, or just if you want to whip it out there, really out there, and sometimes just force of whipping out there will make the bait come off. I found a way around it. What I do is I use dental floss, the non-scented dental floss. See, so I just go 1, 2, just simple grinding knots. Here's the trick. You got to make this tight. See how tight I'm making it? So it cuts into the meat, but not all the way, just barely cuts into the meat. So after my 2 grinding knots, 1 simple knot, that's it. Look at that. Beautiful. Cut the line. Close to the knot as possible. Look at that. You don't even see it there, and it's gonna maintain itself on that hook for quite some time. That's the way to do it. And what I also do is I cut this to make it look like more like a teaser, so it's gonna have a wavy effect and it's gonna look more like a natural octopus or squid. And that's it.
Same area.
Still on? Looks like it. Still, it's action. I'm off to your right, so bring it in this side. I'll hang your bell up. Here he comes. Okay, walk behind me. Whew. There we go.
Not bad.
Yep. You're on the board.
Yeah.